Sophia and Edgar started to go out to argue. They would go to a restaurant, pausing in their argument only to order. When the food came, Sophia would pray to God in thanks and Edgar would tut. It became something of a ritual. Sophia prayed beautifully. Sophia always drank carrot juice, although like the Pope she neither photosynthesized nor masturbated as far as I know. How beautiful was Sophia Alderson! She was as beautiful as the stagnant pool out of which life arose. She was as beautiful as the Tarantula Nebula seen in infrared. She was as beautiful as all of George Mills Jr.'s wives put together. She was as beautiful can be. Chuck Chisholm became a central figure in the Calvary Chapel's Radical Street ministry. Like the other Jesus freaks, Chuck would knock on strangers' doors and tell them about Jesus and hug them. In addition, Chuck would often examine their carpets and suggest cleaning agents. Then in 1998, Italian racing car magnate Enzo Ferrari's half-cousin died, and Chuck became a Catholic. 4 days later, young Edgar had received a letter from the Dean. It went like this. Mr. Malroy, I would be grateful if you would come in to see me as soon as possible. Yours, Dr. Matthews, the Dean.